Today, I'll show you 40 natural phrases native speakers use while cleaning the house. Let's learn English together. I vacuum the carpet. I vacuum the carpet. I freshen up the couch. I freshen up the couch. I air out the bedroom. I air out the bedroom. I pick up the toys. I pick up the toys. I wipe down the counter. I wipe down the counter. I tidy up the room. I tidy up the room. I polish the shoes. I polish the shoes. I clean up the living room. I clean up the living room. I sweep the dirt into the dustpan. I sweep the dirt into the dustpan. I declutter my desk. I declutter my desk. I hang up the wet towels. I hang up the wet towels. I wipe the floor. I wipe the floor. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I clean the mirror. I clean the mirror. I put away the clean dishes. I put away the clean dishes. I squeegee the floor after washing it. I squeegee the floor after washing it. I disinfect the sink. I disinfect the sink. I straighten up the pillows. I straighten up the pillows. I clean the sink. I clean the sink. I wring out the mop. I wring out the mop. I sanitize the table. I sanitize the table. I sweep the balcony. I sweep the balcony. I throw away the trash. I throw away the trash. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I load the dishwasher. I load the dishwasher. I unload the clean dishes. And I unload the clean dishes. I spot clean the carpet. I spot clean the carpet. I dip the mop in the bucket. I dip the mop in the bucket. I remove dirt. I remove dirt. I organize the desk. I organize the desk. I wash the washcloth. I wash the washcloth. I Swiffer the hardwood floors. I Swiffer the hardwood floors. I dust the shelves. I dust the shelves. I spruce up the bathroom. I spruce up the bathroom. I wipe my mouth. I wipe my mouth. I clear off the dining table. Clear off the dining table. I rinse the dishes. I rinse the dishes. I mop up the spilled water. I mop up the spilled water. I spray air freshener. I spray air freshener. I scrub the toilet bowl. I scrub the toilet bowl. I feel fresh. I feel fresh. Learn English with me. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments.